Sassy Girl Toys, and today we have Tammy with us here.
Hi there.
Yes, and today we have a awesome
Bonanza.
Yes. We are going to be opening up a Pusheen surprise plush, Shopkins Fashion Spree, a surprise capsule Figural Keyring, and a Magnet Blind bag. So we're going to be opening everything that you see right here on camera together. So, and we'll be taking turns. Okay, so would you like to go first?
Sure.
Okay.
I think I will open the Shopkins 3 magnets and 1 mini poster. And I guess it's just all the seasons mixed up. I don't know. It doesn't really say. Each pack contains 2 magnets, 1 die-cut magnet,
Blossom's going to be in the video.
1 mini poster, and 1 Shopkins. Oh, I didn't know we were going to get a Shopkins in here. Awesome. So, may I borrow the scissors, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, here's the tear strip. Thank you. Alrighty. Let's see here. So, here is our poster. Collect all 4 mini posters. Collect the whole set. Here's the posters, and then here's all the die-cut magnets. Wait. Here's the big poster. And
Our Shopkins!
our Shopkin. Oh, I think we have this one. It's,
That's okay because...
Is it Wanda Wafer?
Yes.
Yeah, Wanda Wafer.
We have her, but she would be an awesome one to put in the customizing bin.
We love her.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Wanda Wafer. How are you? Oh, wrong way. Okay.
She's so cute.
She's
I love
darling.
Wanda Wafer.
Ooh, magnets.
I like that
I
one.
love Shopkins with poppy corn and apple blossom.
Okay, I just looked at the next magnet. It was awesome. It's Taco Terry,
Taco
everybody!
Terry! You've been wanting him for a while.
No, yeah, we have been wanting him.
Yeah.
He's an awesome magnet.
Poppy corn
Poppy
in the
corn.
die cut.
Yay!
That's pretty neat.
I think we have that one. I'm not sure.
Oh, really?
We might.
Okay. All right, that's it.
All right, I think it's my turn. Okay, so I'm going to open up, let's see, a Shopkins Fashion Spree. So in here you get 2 Shopkins, of course. Like if there was a Shopkin pack with no Shopkins in them. Ah, that would be really bad. Okay.
I like the yellow bags the best.
Yeah. That way it's a surprise. Okay, let's see our first little Shopkin. I hope we get a new one because I don't have many of the Fashion Spree. And if we just got a duplicate pack, that would be sad.
Can you tell who it is yet?
Yeah, we have this one.
Oh.
But it's an awesome one.
Shades
Because
is still very cool.
Yeah, because I wear glasses.
Yeah, it's awesome. Love Shades.
Yes, we love him. Let's see. I'm trying to feel this bag. Oh, I think it's a new one. I think it's a new one. I seriously don't know who this is. Awesome!
Oh, wow.
Smarty Phone. And I'll have to check our collection because I don't know if we have him.
I don't think in that color, definitely.
Blossom's over there making noise. Okay, it's your turn to open
Okay,
something.
I think I will do a Disney Figural Keyring Season 2. Series 2, pardon me. So, you can get Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Stitch, Evil Queen, Jack, Sally, Pooh Bear, and Maleficent. So, Don't know them, do you?
Oh, they're from, Nightmare Before Christmas.
Oh.
It's a good movie.
So we have Elsa, Olaf, and Stitch, right? And don't we have Maleficent too?
We have Olaf, I know.
Yeah.
And we have Jack and Stitch. I don't think we have Elsa.
Oh, okay.
But I want to show you something.
We don't have Elsa, I'd like to
I want
get
to
her.
show you something awesome. You can get a limited edition Bling Beverly Hills. So we're going to be on the hunt for that one.
Yes.
Definitely.
I can't really tell who this is. It might be Evil Queen.
You can't really tell because there's a paper in.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Here we go.
Awesome! It's
Ooh,
Jack.
it's Jack. I thought you said we already had him.
Yes,
He's
we
kind
do.
of creepy looking. Woo! Woo!
Well, I think
Not very creepy.
I think the little J in his mouth kind of looks cute.
Maybe like he's smiling a tiny bit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I guess not really because... Oh, I have a good idea what we could do for that. We'll take the trash out of here. What we can do is we can rip off that little paper here and hook his little hook right there.
Perfect.
And then stand him up. And stand him up. There he is.
He looks pretty cute.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to open up the Pusheen surprise plush, everybody. The Pusheen. Okay. Oh, and at the end, we're both going to open up this surprise. I forgot to mention that. Okay. Oh, and you can get one of these. And we've never opened up any of these, and it looks like this is, this looks like it's a rare one. I'm not sure. We have never opened these before. So,
Mini plush. This is series 1 called Snack Time.
oh yeah, I did not notice that.
Designed with love.
Huh. Okay, where's my care strip?
This is all
Handy
mini
dandy
plush include a ball keychain.
Oh, cool. Okay. So I just cut it and turn off camera. Oh no! It didn't work! Okay, and I'm gonna tell you which one that I really want. I really want the cupcake or the rare one, the little donut.
I hope we get the pepperoni pizza guy.
Want the pepperoni pizza? Or I want the ice cream. He's pretty cute. Oh, come on. We got somebody pink. Let's look at all the pink people. So there's the donut, of course. And then there's a little bit of pink on the ice cream. You can kind of see right there. And then the cupcake is completely pink. This looks pretty pink, so we might have gotten the cupcake.
I hope we get the cupcake. That's
Yeah.
what you wanted.
Yeah, I really want the cupcake. We have the cupcake!
Oh, look how cute. Oh, that is precious. Does he have, is it a cat? He has little whiskers? Oh, and look at his tail. It's striped. It's a little striped tail and
I love
stripes on
that.
his back.
And they
I think
aren't,
he's a tabby cat.
yeah, and they aren't too big, actually. They're not too big. I thought they were going to be pretty big whenever I saw other people open them.
Perfect.
Like, maybe as big as,
A Beanie Boo.
yeah, maybe as, well, not as big as a Beanie Boo. Maybe as big as, let's see.
You knocked it.
Two of these little things. They're little laser lights for Blossom to play with. See? They shine a little light. Shine on Taco Terry. And Blossom goes around chasing it. We have the cupcake! Yay! Okay, so now we're both going to be opening up the surprise capsule. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Okay, so I'll show the first 2 things, and then you show the second thing, okay? Or, yeah, the last thing. Well, there's pretty much actually 4 things in here because there's the sticker, you know. We have Applejack. She's an awesome little pony. Can put her right there. And then we knocked over Miss Mushy Moo. Okay. Okay. And then we got a vanity sticker. Awesome. Where can we put that?
We'll just have to lay it down.
Yeah. Okay, you can show the last 2 things of the video.
We got Vanity.
Awesome.
Meow.
I can't figure out what the little animals are of those. That one might be a bear or a cat. I'm not sure. And that one is a Lollaloopsy Tiny, actually.
I love her because she's golden.
Yeah, she's a rare one.
Beautiful.
Okay, so there was everything from that video. You can leave a comment right now and tell us what thing was your favorite. And we'll be choosing ours in a minute. So, and please comment down below if you like our videos, and please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. So, what was your favorite from this video, Tammy?
My favorite is the cupcake cat Pusheen.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go with the cupcake cat Pusheen too.
What should we name her?
I really don't know if they have names or anything. But
you let us know what you think we should name her.
Yes, that would be an awesome thing to comment. What should we name? What should we name the kitty Pusheen?
Yes.
And what do you think we should name her?
I'm gonna have to think about it.
Okay. I think a cute little name would be Raspberry.
Oh, that would be cute. I love that.
Okay, so leave a comment and tell us if you like it, if you like this video, and what your favorite was. And also tell us what you would like us to name the kitty. And leave a thumbs up and a thumbs down. Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.